number 9, we want to solve the inequality for x. That means we want to apply our GEM-DOS backwards. So make sure that we're thinking about how we can go backwards through here and get our variable x by itself. As I look on the sides over here, there are several complications. Number 1, you have a grouping symbol, which means this 9x plus 5 is grouped in the numerator and the 4 is in the denominator. So we have those grouping symbols that we have to take into account for. So I'm not covering up numbers. Try it again. The other thing is that we have two other numbers that are over here. That's an 18 and the 4. Well, the 18 is being added and the 4 is division. So I want to work through my PEMDAS backwards. I'm going to be really careful in how we do this. Is there any addition subtraction that we can undo that's attached to the variable x? Well, that addition is in grouping symbols, can't get to it, but the other thing I can get to is the 18. And this 18 has to go first. And then the 4 is going to go second because that's a multiplication division. And then we're going to be down to our grouping symbols, and now I can get rid of the grouping symbol after we get rid of that division. So here's my strategy. 9x plus 5 divided by 4 plus 18 is greater than 26. Whenever we solve equations, we want to undo addition subtraction first. That is the reverse of our order of operations. When we do equations, that's what we want to do to make sure that we end up with the correct location or value. So 9x plus 5 divided by 4 has to be greater than. If we subtract 18 from 26, we get an 8. Now I can reduce by multiplying both sides times 4. Multiply each side times 4. Now I can break down this grouping symbol. Since our division is gone, the fraction bar is gone, the 9x plus 5 is now cleared of those grouping symbols, and it's got to be greater than 32. And now we'll go back to our PEMDAS again, or GEM-DOS backwards. That means we want to get rid of adding 5 rather than multiplying by 9. So we're going to subtract 5 first. That means 9x has to be greater than 32 minus 5 is 27. And finally, what we'll do is we'll divide both sides by 9. So that means x has to be greater than 3. So to graph our solutions to this, from the 3, it needs to be an open circle. Greater than means shade everything to the right.